Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable apps sites actually from showing images on your Opera GX gaming browser. Now, let's say you don't want the site to be able to display any images at all. So how do you do it? So from the home menu, you press the alternate and the P button to open up your settings, and then you scroll all the way down until you get to site settings. Click on site settings and scroll down until you see images under content. Click on it, and here it is. Because sites usually show images to provide illustrations like photos for online stores or news articles, but if you want sites to be able to show images, leave this turned on. If you do not want sites to show images, but that means that features that need images will not work, but if you still want that, you can click on this. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.